Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 14 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something you see through a window, and I've got this puppy dog. Something with wheels, I've got this car. A map, I've got this map. It came from one of these little pads. I'm not sure where I got it from, but thought it would be good. And something that uses electricity. I've got this radio. And something with a bit of orange. I've got my kitty cat, and I've already got my background laid down. And the bonus is a name. And up here you see Helena. I believe that's in Montana. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I think this is going to be a quick one, but I think it's going to be a fun one. So I'm going to put my car down here. And I think I'm going to put my radio right there. And we've got the puppy dog. I'll either set him there. I think I like him better on the ground. Kind of cover up those words. And for fun, I thought I would tuck them in behind the car. And I've got this guy that's up to no good, Spine. And now I'm just going to kind of fold this kind of like a road map. And maybe have it laying there. Or should I have it in the car? I think I'll do that. Let me cut a little slit there. And just kind of tuck it right there. Maybe a little bit more. Well, y'all, I finished my Jana de Leon book. And it was really good. Yeah, I like that. I enjoyed it. That book made me laugh. I laughed throughout the whole book. I enjoyed it. I have started a new series. It was free on Kindle. I have found the sequel and found out that it was a sequel. And because I get these from, I can't remember the name of it, but it shows me free books that are out each day. And I found one that sounded good, and I found out it was a sequel. So I went looking to see the main series and found out that it was free. They had the first 3 books in one volume, and it was free. So I started it last night, and I've gotten to like chapter 3. I didn't get to read too terribly much because it was late, but it started off really good. It's the Reluctant Rector series, and it's a Father Tom series, mysteries. So it sounded really good. I don't think it's going to be, I haven't, like I said, I haven't gotten very far in there. So I don't know if it's so much thriller, but I think it's more than a cozy mystery. So, oops, I forgot to tuck this in. Gotta pay attention what I'm doing. But it caught my attention right quick. He's a priest that used to be married, and his wife was murdered, and somehow he ends up, I haven't gotten to that part yet, but his old girlfriend, who he broke her heart, you know, this was before he got married, but she is now like a police chief, and he wants her to help find out who killed his wife. But you know, obviously this happened years before this has come, because he became a priest after she died, and he's back at the same church where they got married, and she was buried, and he kind of like ran away. But it sounds good, and I'm enjoying it so far. Well, this one was quick. Let's see what we've got. We have got something you see through a window. We've got the dog. Something with wheels. We've got the car. We've got a map. Something that uses electricity. And I think I'm going to just draw the line down like I didn't glue it down. Yep, the secret life of a cat is no telling what they find. Okay, we've got something that uses electricity, something with a bit of orange. We've got our kitty cat, and the bonus is a name. And I've got Helena there on the map. So, and I've got my map there. So, let me see if I can make my puppy dog's black. I guess he's popping out okay. But I think this is a fun one. It was really quick. But I like how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW14 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care now. And and happy Easter. So y'all have a great day. And until next time, bye y'all.